So hello guys, so the topic today is about Laplace transform. So this topic is under to the advanced engineering mathematics. So basically guys, yung Laplace transform is a transformation of from differential equation into algebraic equation guys. So ganun lang siya guys. So game na natin. So yung table na to, magiging guide to para mapabilis yung solution natin. So meron tayong tinatawag natin na general equation or formulas guys. So 0 to infinity ft e raised to negative st. E raised to negative st dt. This is negative st dt. So masosolve natin kahit anong klase ng Laplace transform using this guys. So medyo mahaba lang to, 0 to infinity. So find the Laplace transform of ft is 2t plus 3 boy. So yung ft natin dyan boy, eto 2t plus 3. Tapos e raised to negative st dt boy. So integrate natin, separate natin yung mga t e raised to negative st plus 3, 0 to infinity, e raised to negative st dt. Nilabas ko na kagad yung mga constant guys para hindi tayo magkalit-ulito. So this is a integration by parts. Yung u natin dito is t, du is dt. Tapos yung dv natin dito, e raised to negative st dt. So integrate natin yan, makuha tayo ng v. Which is yung v natin dyan is negative 1 over s e raised to negative st. Paano nangyari yun? E raised to negative st dt. E raised to u, du dapat yan. Yung u natin dito is negative st. Du is equals to negative s dt. E raised to u, du over negative s. So negative 1 over s e. So magiging negative 1 over s integral of eu du yan guys. Tapos yung u natin dito is negative st. Kaya negative, ito, gets yun guys. So sa tingin ko gets na yun guys. Napaka-basic na integral lang yun guys. So 2. So u. Ito, palitan natin ng uv minus the integral of v du. U is t. V is negative 1 over s e raised to negative st minus the integral of 0 to infinity uv minus the integral of v. V then du is dt. Plus 3. Ito yan o. 0 to infinity e raised to negative st dt boy. Okay pa naman. Tapos yung limits nito guys, 0 to infinity guys. Infinity to. Ay, ba't palaging 8 yung nasusulat ko? Infinity. Tapos itong 2 guys, distribute ko na yan. No? Lagyan ko na ng 2 dito. Tapos tanggalin na natin itong bracket na to boy. Gets naman yun guys. Dinistribute ko lang yung 2 guys. So 2t. So 2. T. Yung t natin gawin natin upper limit which is infinity. Negative 1 over s e raised to negative s to infinity. Minus 2. Tapos yung lower limit natin is 0. Negative 1 over s e raised to negative s to 0. Upper limit minus lower limit minus 2. The integral of 0 to infinity. E raised to negative 1 over s e raised to negative st. Plus tayo nito guys. So wait lang. Plus 3 is 0 to infinity e raised to negative st dt. So any number raised to infinity is 0 na to. Ito naman ay 0 times 2 is 0 na rin yan. So times mo pa dito, magiging 0 talaga yan. So 0 na to. Itong lahat ng ito ay 0. Minus pa natin ng ano boy. Negative times negative is positive 2. So palitan ko na to. Positive 2 yun, di ba guys? Ito. Negative times negative, positive 2. Integral of 0 to infinity. 1 over s e raised to negative st dt plus 3. 0 to infinity e raised to negative st dt boy. So 2 over s 0 to infinity e raised to negative st dt boy. Plus 3 0 to infinity e raised to negative st dt. So the integral of this na obtain na natin kanina yan, 2 over s is what? Negative 1 over s e raised to negative st. Tapos yung limit niya 0 to infinity plus 3 of its negative 1 over s e raised to negative st guys. The limit is 0 to infinity boy. Gets pa naman boy. So, ito naman, boy. 2 all over S. Negative 1 over S. E raised to negative S. Ito yan. Tapos yung t natin is infinity. Upper limit muna tayo. Minus negative 1 over S. E raised to negative S. Tas 0, guys. Plus 3. Ito naman, upper limit muna tayo, guys. Negative 1 over S. E raised to negative S. To infinity, guys. Minus negative 1 over S. E raised to negative S. Yung t natin gawin natin 0, boy. Upper limit minus lower limit lang yan, boy. Tapos ito ay 0 na to kasi naka-raise to infinity. Tapos ito ay magiging 1. Tapos times mo dito magiging positive 1 over S plus 3 of its negative 1 over S. Ito ay 0 na to, guys. 0 na to. Negative, positive 1 over S. Tapos ito ay 1. So, gets pa, guys. So, 2 over S squared plus 3 all over S. So, sa madaling salita, kunin mo yung LCD nito. Diba? S squared. Yung S squared na to, divide mo dito, tapos times mo dito. So, 2 plus 3S, boy. Divide mo dito, tapos times mo dito. So, S times 3. So, 2 plus 3S over S squared. So, yun lang, guys. Gets. So, next naman tayo nyan, guys, is find the Laplace transform of t cube e raised to 5t, boy. Kapag ganito, guys, meron tayong format na tinatawag natin na first shifting property. First shifting property, boy, which is the Laplace transform of e raised to at ft, boy, is equals sa f ng s minus a. Di ko alam, guys, kung nagre-record pa ba yung itong video ko kasi ang gulo-gulo kanina, naglolo ko yung headset ko, boy. Pangalawang beses na itong recording, guys, kaya tinatamad na ako eh. So, game, guys. Ito yung e raised to at, tapos ito yung ft natin. So, first natin gagawin, kunin natin yung ft, t cube. Tapos, meron tayong formula sa table na t. Ito, t, tapos ito, guys. So, sulat nyo na lang yun sa notebook nyo, guys, kasi nasira yung recording ko, Sn plus 1. T cube. Yung cube natin dito is 3 factorial over S3 plus 1, boy. So, bali magiging ano to? 3 factorial means nun 3 times 2 times 1. So, 6 all over S to the 4th. Tapos yung S natin, palitan natin ng S minus A. S minus A to the 4th. So, 6 over S minus. Tapos yung A natin is what? Ito A, which is 5. 5 lang, guys. Huwag mo sasama yung T. 4. Ito na yung final answer, guys. So, gets naman, guys. So, find the Laplace transform of gt is equals to t minus 1 squared. Tapos, wait lang, guys. 0 of it t, 1, then t less than 1. This is a piecewise, guys. So, dito na papasok yung second shifting property. Second shifting property, boy. Yung kanina, first shifting property kapag merong ganitong format. So, na yun. Ito, e raised to at tapos ft. Ito, e raised to at tapos ft. So, dito, guys, second shifting property, yung fs natin dito, boy, may formula to, guys. Laplace transform of gt to, wala to. Is equals to e raised to negative es ng fs. So, fs muna yung kukunin natin dyan. Saan tayo kukuha ng fs? Dito. So, itong t minus 1 equals sa 0, t is equals to 1, di ba? Lipat mo lang to. So, ito na yan, t. Tapos yung exponent niyan is squared, so t squared. So, using the formula n factorial over sn plus 1 is 2 factorial over s2 plus 1 is 2 over s cube. So, gets pa ba? Ito na yung fs natin. Kaso meron pa tayo sa formula na e raised to a s tapos fs. May fs na tayo. Saan natin ito kukunin? Yung a natin dito is what? Ito. T minus 1 equals to 0. Lipat mo siya, t is equals to 1. Yung a natin dito is 1. Tapos yung n natin dito is 2. Gets pa? Kaya ito yung 2n. So yung a natin is 1. E raised to negative s, which is 1 lang to. Then yung fs natin is 2 over s cube. 2e raised to negative s over s cube. So, ito yung answer, no? So, gets pa guys. So, sana naintindihan nyo pa guys. So, find the Laplace transform of cosine of 3t boy. So, sa cosine 3t, meron tayong formula dyan. Tignan nyo na lang sa table na pinakita ko sa taas. S over S squared plus A squared boy. Sige, pakita na natin boy. Ito. A squared or B squared, pare-pares lang yun guys. So, palitan na natin ang B. Yan. Yung S, copy. Tapos S squared, copy. Tapos yung B natin dito is 3 squared. S over S squared plus 9. So, this is the final answer for that problem, guys. So, sana nasusundan pa ba, guys? So, next is that Laplace transform of 6t raised to 5 minus 3t 3 halves plus 7, boy. So, separate mo muna natin yung mga 6L tapos t raised to 5. Labas mo lang yung constant, boy. 3L, t, 1 half plus 7 ng L. Tapos 1 pa rin to kasi 7 times 1, 7. 3 times 3t, 3 halves. Tapos 6 times t raised to 5, ito pa rin. So, nilabas ko lang yung mga constant, guys. Gets pa ba? So, dito meron tayong formula. T, n equals to n factorial over s n plus 1. Tapos dito 1 is equals to 1 over s. Tapos dito pag fraction guys, pag fraction gagamit ka ng gamma. Kapag fraction gagamit ka ng gamma, ito yung formula niyan guys. Meron to dun sa table guys, check nyo na lang na. Ito yung formula for gamma which is the fraction yung exponent. 6. Tapos ito 5 factorial over s, 5 plus 1, di ba? Ito yung n, yun yung 5, di ba? N equals to 5 minus 3. Tapos gamma ng 3, yung A natin dito is representing 3 halves plus 1. Tapos A, 3 halves plus 1 boy. Plus, ito is what? 7 all over S. So, sa gamma function guys, meron pa tayong mga properties sa gamma boy. Ito sila oh. A gamma A is equals to A factorial. So, wait lang. A plus 1 is equals to A gamma A is equals to A factorial, which is gamma of 1 half is equals to square root of shift pi. Shift then pi, then 1 is equals to 1. Gamma to no? Gamma. Paano yung logo ng gamma? Ganito. Gets guys? So, eto, paano ba natin susulat to? Sige, dito na lang. Eto, solve natin yan to, boy. Gamma of 3 halves plus 1 is equals yan sa A. Gamma of A is equals sa A factorial, which is yung A natin dito is 3 halves. So, sulat mo lang 3 halves tapos copy the gamma. Tapos, yung A natin dito guys is 3 halves din. Bakit? Kasi ito yung representing natin ng A. Parang dinistribute, sinubstitute lang natin A, gamma, tapos A is 3 halves. So, next nyan is guys, is 3 halves gamma of any number na pag nag-add mo dapat is still 1 half pa rin. 1 half plus 1. Still 3 halves pa rin pala. So, 1 half plus 1 is still 3 halves. So, yun pa rin yung lalabas guys. Tapos, ito is A is representing as. Yung 1 half is, ba tayo bumaba? Yan. A, yung 1 half is representing as A pa rin. So, 3 halves. Yung goal natin kasi dito, makagawa tayo ng 1 half. So, labas lang natin to 1 half. Kasi, sinabi ko na yung A natin is representing as 1 half, A gamma A. So, A is 1 half, gamma ulit, tapos A is 1 half din. So, times to 3 halves ng gamma of 1 half, which is square root of pi. Gets pa guys? So, palitan lang natin to guys ng square root of 3 all over 4 ng square root of pi. Gets guys? So, eto guys, times natin yan dito. So, magiging ano yan? Etong 6 times 5 factorial is 720 over S6 minus, eto ay 3 times 3 is 9 tapos over 4 ng S raised to 5 halves, diba guys? Tapos yung square root ng pi plus 7 all over S. So, this is the final answer for that problem guys. So, sana nakakasunod pa kayo guys. So, wait lang guys. Check natin. Baka may nakalimutan tayo. So, what if ganito naman guys? L ng 5 sine 2t minus 3 cosine of 2t, guys. So, L, 5 is cosine of 2t. Nilabas ko lang lahat ng mga constant, guys. So, 5. Tapos yung gamma na ay nung Laplace ng cosine of bt is equals to what? S over S squared plus B squared. Tapos yung sine of bt is what? B all over S squared plus B squared, guys. Gets? So, 2, 2. Yan yung mga value natin ng... So, cosine to, guys. So, ito yung gagamitin natin yan. S over S squared plus 2 squared minus 3. Laplace transform of cosine. Oh, sorry. This could be a sine pala. Sine of 2t. So, dapat ito. Yung b natin, boy, is what? It's 2. S squared plus 2 squared minus 3. The cosine of 2t is what? Ito yan. S over S squared plus 2 then squared. 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Wala to. S squared plus 4 minus 3s over S squared plus 4, boy. So, 10 minus 3s, since same sila ng denominator, pag may minus lang yan, rekta-rekta, S squared plus 4. So, this could be the final answer for that problem, guys. So, I hope, guys, na-gets, guys. So, yun lang mga problem natin, mga basic lang. So, that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. See you and God bless.